So now guys, I am going to season my oxtail. So now I'm going to use some oxtail seasoning. Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Some meat seasoning. Special jerk seasoning. And guys, my favorite spice, pimento or pimenta. So guys, I'm gonna add some onion. I have some chopped up ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, and garlic. Scallion and thyme. I'm going to go and give it a nice rub. Oh, this smells good already. Smells so good. Bursting with flavor. So guys, I'm going to add some green seasoning. All of it. Some black pepper. Not too much. And then I'm going to add some browning. Not going to add too much browning at once. So guys, when you season up your meat a day or two, or even for a few hours, always tastes better. Even though if you season it up right away with the right seasoning, it tastes good as well. But for me, sometimes I like to do it like this most time, not either time. Look at this guys, smell good. I don't want to add too much browning because when I'm browning it, I need it to brown by itself. So I don't want it too dark. So guys, now my oxtail is finished seasoning. So I'm going to put it in the